Alright guys, I'm here with a Costco fan. It makes a beeping sound that wakes up the baby. So I'm going to disable it. Some people prefer the beeping sound. I don't. So I'm going to show you how to take it out. Take out the little speaker. This is the newer model that Costco sells. It's easier to take apart. There's an older model that they don't sell anymore, which is much cumbersome, but this one's easier and I'll show you how to do it. So basically you just need a screwdriver and then some type of plier tool. I only have this vice grip for today, but here we go. So just so everybody knows, that's the model number. Okay, it's a sunter?
Sunter.
So first part is there's two screws here. You take them out. Okay, and you kind of just have to lift, kind of wiggle it out. This top piece, this whole top piece will come out.
Sunter.
Can you make this? Can you do the into
That's my daughter
Can you do the into her?
playing Barbies. So the easiest way I found right here was just just lift it with your fingers up, and here we go. So once you get this top piece off, there's 8 screws. You're gonna have to remove them all, but basically there's the little ones and then the bigger ones. So these 4 little ones will hold. I'll show you that later, but the 4 bigger ones, these 4, I would take off first because it'll release this unit from the housing. That's one. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. So this is just a cover, so that you can put that aside. And so these other little 4 screws hold this whole housing together. So we'll take those out. That's 1. 2. 3. 4. So just comes apart like that, very easy. Next, there's 1 screw right in the middle that holds the motherboard to the dials. The speaker is actually inside, so you have to take out this single screw, and it's the motherboard, so just be careful.
Just make make this for my Barbie.
Yeah, this is your Barbie, mommy. And it'll just
Make
come right
this.
off.
Just make in the top in her hair.
And then this is the speaker. Okay? What you want to do is just twist it off. Okay? Without damaging any of the circuitry here. You probably have something smaller. My tools are somewhere else right now. And what I do is I just twist it. It'll break the connections on the bottom. You see? This one kind of split in half, which is fine. My other fan that I did this already on, the whole thing came off. So that's it. So that's where the beeping originates. And you just put everything in reverse order, put it back together, okay? And you should be okay. So I'll go ahead and do that for you. So when you put this piece back together, you have to align the buttons, these little lights. See the little lights here, the green lights? They go into these clear housing. So you have to, and just be careful again. This is the motherboard. You just want to put it back together as careful as possible. Okay, so the lights are there. They're inside the little clear plastic housing, and you just want to put that single screw back in. Okay, and you take this housing that goes in the back. What you'll notice is there's a little thing that sticks out here that goes in this groove right here. So and then the wires, will kind of just push them out of the way so the unit can close. Okay, there'll be a little gap, but that's normal. Okay, that's so the wires can stick out. So then you take your 4 tiny screws